Hi, I'm Dr. Guru Prasad Reddy, plastic surgeon working in Hyderabad. So I have my own hospital in Hyderabad and I do hair transplants regularly, but there are certain things I was not very clear about. So I was looking across for places who offer hair transplant training, and when I came across Elegance Vidhyalay's initiative by Dr. Ashutosh Shah, who provides education about hair transplants and the various aspects of it, like coming from pre-operative planning, also the hairline design, everything including post-op protocols, all those things, which actually entail the whole aspect of hair transplant, and also at the same time various management modalities for hair loss and different aspects of hair transplant, such as female hair transplant, beard transplants, mustache transplant in scarred areas, all those things. I had come with the hope and I was not disappointed because all the aspects that are required as a hair transplant surgeon are covered in the course. The environment here is very friendly and everybody treats you like a family. So it was a really good experience, and we wish Elegance Vidhyalaya and the Elegance Clinic as well all the very best, and hope other plastic surgeons come here, learn from the best, and maybe whatever they have learned here can be implemented in their practice. Thank you.